창문으로 다시래 녀밍라 다시 시상식이 유럽 표리션의 튠종의 탑슈지 계제 표된 대줄래랑라 아니 로니슈코르베 뒤델라 잠디 다시들 슈기. ITN plays a crucial part in the Tibetan freedom movement.
Through its coordination, through its humility, and through its facilitation, and through the organizing glue that it provides for all these different networks, it really transforms the Tibet movement from a disparate collection of groups into a large, organized human rights machine on a global scale.
On a global stage, China does not only seek to cover up its abuses in Tibet, it silences Tibetans and it subverts and distorts Tibet's story. This is why we need International Tibet Network to create connections, not to break them, to build alliances, not to sever them, to protect against the erasure of a sophisticated, subtle and ancient culture that matters to the world as much as to Tibetans.
Every individual and associations and groups are important. Especially, I believe, International Tibet Network is very important because international level they are organizing.
The Tibet Network does probably one of the most important work in our movement. I think we are all really fortunate and lucky to have Tibet Network working in the Tibet movement over the last 20 years because the work they have done is critical to the success and the strength of the Tibet movement.
Because it connects Tibetan organizations with Tibet support groups across the globe. Moreover, ITN helps to build a bridge between different anti-CCP movements. Through the work of ITN and through their network, we can bundle our efforts and we can strengthen our fight against China's oppressive regime.
What would happen if the Tibet Network ceased to exist? The world would lose a critical vehicle for not only mobilizing to support, to protect Tibetans' rights, but also for informing people about what's happening in that region at a time when information flows are drying up and ties are being cut. It would also bring an end to nuanced, tailored training on sophisticated, strategic, and enduring advocacy capacity for Tibetans and their supporters around the world. And it would cost Human Rights Watch a critical, beloved, smart, strategic ally in the Tibet movement.
Tata longu nishirila lega radjamba punongi mamangi rawa joba nanshi lega htabata lengu htabata pewata dinalani chamalola hintabani tujichi shuai.
To keep Tibet front and center in this new world order and to explore strategic ways ahead, our network is crucial to that. There are so many connections spanning cultures across the globe that simply would not have happened without ITN. And for the work of many who do their campaigning and advocacy with little support and resources, ITN is simply a crucial community. So all power to ITN on its 20th anniversary.
Happy birthday!